Awesome. Welcome, guys. Today is August 2nd, 2024. And today was NFP, unemployment rate. I'm going to share my screen here. Today was a big event. You guys can see, as always, you saw it with forexfactory.com. Non-farm came out to 114. And unemployment rate came out to 4.3, higher than forecasted, and which caused the dollar to shoot down. Gold shot up, and now it's shooting back down. Because it is liquidating the buyers right now. But we had this bullish candle right at 5:30, 30 minutes before our call. Gold shot up a total of 210 pips. And I had this marked up prior to news. I knew it was going to shoot up. You know, I had my buy position, guys, right before news. But I canceled it. I was like, let me not risk it. And then the move happened and it shot up. It's like, dang. But it's okay. I caught the sell. And I took some profits on the sell when it came back down because I saw like the wicks. And I caught the sell and I caught a total of where was it? Let's see. Go back to my trades here. I went in at 24.75. So I caught a total of 100 pips on the sell. And I got in at 24.75. But I had to buy right there, guys. I went in at 24.57 right before news. Because it touched my zone there. It touched my zone. My hourly zone around 24.55. Now it's shooting down. Sheesh. Could have held that sell, but it's okay. But we have some activity going on here. Here, right? It shot down. London session with sells. Came down to my zone there, 24.55, and it shot up. Went up to 24.76, 24.77. Look at the 1 hour. See it touched here. Around this area here. It's a strong resistance zone. So now it's reacting around that area again, and it's shooting. It's giving me that wick. But I've been calling out 2,500 for months now, so it's going to shoot up to 2,500 at some point. It can happen this morning. It can happen in New York Open. It can happen next week. We also have events next week. We have PMI, we have unemployment claims. You know, it can happen at any time, guys. Gold can shoot up at 2,500 to new all-time high. We'll see how price reacts, but it can happen at any moment. You know, it's gonna happen soon for sure. It's gonna happen this month. I do believe gold is gonna shoot up to 2,500 sometime this month. So be on the lookout for that. Um, you know, it shot up already to 24.77, almost to all-time highs, like the current all-time high, which is 24.82, 24.83. It's breaking structure above, so it can happen at any time, guys. Like I know this month for sure is going to happen at some point. Let's see how when New York opens, to see how price reacts. It could potentially shoot up, or it can shoot back down before the buy up. You see how it's reacting there. Even that wick now is shooting back up again. Could see a potential break of structure, the continuation for upside. Let's look at auras. I mean, not auras, impulse. Let's look at impulse here. I'm sure it's giving me some buying signs. The whole month of July was all buys. You know, when you look at the monthly candle, came out bullish. Monthly. There's a monthly here. See, July was bullish. The July here. Total of 1,600 pips for the month of July. $23.25 was the low. And then 23.82 was a high, which is the current all-time high, 23.82, 23.83. And then 24.48, close to 24.50 was the close on July. And now August is giving me a bullish candle now. Starting off the month of August, it's bullish. As you guys see there, that's a bullish candle on the monthly. Starting off for the month of August. And that's the second day. We're still early in the month, but you know, it's resulting in a bullish candle so far. So we could see a potential break. A structure above 24.80. You know, it's above my close. Looking at the weekly, there's a weekly right now, a bullish candle on a weekly. to pass these highs here. Is the current all-time high up here. I like to work my way down from the higher time frames to the lower time frames. Just see the to see the bigger picture of it, you know. So anyways, let's check out impulse here. Impulse give me all buying signs. The 1 minute is giving me that red macro trend arrow because of the pullback. Price is still above my EMA. My primary EMA is here. My primary EMA, price is still above that. So we could see a continuation to the upside. My trend arrows up, my strength arrows up. We have New York open in 5 minutes. You can see a break here. It's the continuation. We have the micro pivot line there. See a break and retest around 24.65. The results another bullish candle. Yes, I'm going for the buy, the continuation. $4.75. I'll mark up 24.75 as my key level. Where price reacted here. Give me that wick and it shot down. You see, key levels are so important to earn. 24.75 is a quarterly level. There's my quarterly, 24.75. Which price can, you know, react. $4.70. Looking at the 5 minute, Just give me those 3 white soldiers there. So that's a potential reversal for the buy. You could see a move happening here. $24.80 can be TP3. And go with that New York open. There she goes. But the 15-minute, it's giving me a bullish candle on a 15-minute. Let me know if you guys got in on that. So buy is now active. Looking at impulse, it broke above my micro pivot. For those that want to catch a reentry, yeah, there's a potential pullback. Potentially. Or I can shoot up. There you go. Hit 24.70. TP1 hit. Let me know if you guys got in on that buy. Nah, it's okay. Just wait for the pullback. Or the break and retest above 2470. That's your reentry. Drop this in the chat. Well, people that miss out on the news, this could be your opportunity to like enter. People that are not here on this call are missing out, man. They sleeping. More people should be on this call. You guys agree? Yeah, I just gotta promote more. But yeah, guys, it's a risk-free trade. Move your stop loss or break even. It's not risk-free. You need 15 pips or more in profit. Move your stop loss or break even. Input's giving me all buying signs, and the 1 minute microtrend went from red to blue now, so which is a good sign because it's breaking above micro pivot. My secondary EMA is blue over red. Blue over red. That's another confirmation. When this is not a risk-free trade. We could see a potential retest here, potential pullback or re-entry. Let's wait for the 45-minute mark. Let's look at the 15-minute. Just going back to my zone there. Wait for a bullish candle pop up. Some break and retest. Wait for this candle to finish. We have 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Right now it's reacting at my zone there, my hourly zone. See, we had a break of structure here with resistance. Broke above, now it's coming back. Could see a potential break and retest for the continuation to the upside. And we have a lot of activity going on here as well. This is a strong area. I do want to see a bullish candle. At the 15-minute. I'm actually going to wait. Spare to wait for the 45-minute mark. We have 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle, so I would wait for the next 15-minute candle to come out bullish to really confirm that buy. I like to look at the 50-minute as well to see whether it's going to close bearish or bullish before I take my trade off the 5-minute. So 50-minute. See, right now it's wicking. You can see wicks, saw liquidity. We don't have any more news this morning, so we're done. We just had unemployment rate and NFP, which caused his bullish candle. And now it's coming down to liquidate this imbalance here. Now that it did, okay, let's see if it's gonna, from this point, just all based off, basic market structure, break and retest. That's all I'm doing. As we can see there, 15-minute. You have 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I do want to see it bullish. I do want to see a 15-minute bullish candle. She is still within my zone there. Just be patient. We're not entering yet. I do want to see a bullish candle. If it closes below 24.65, closes below but bearish, then this trade is invalid. Just look for the next zone for that buy. Just go based off zone to zone, key level to key level. It's looking like it's going to continue down. It's dancing within that area there. There she goes. Look at the 1 hour. She may continue down because this, these wicks are pushing price down. You can see these long wicks like that. That is here. It's a big push down. So right now it closed below my 23.65. It closed below. Now it's retesting the continuation to the downside. So we could see price pushing further down. So this buy is invalid. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour is very indecisive. Very, very. So it's still dancing within 24.65 area. We could see it push down to 24.55 potentially for the buy up. But what impulse is giving me, the micro pivot line there came back to retest. So let's see how this ends up. See, we're about to hit the new hour, so top of the hour we could see a potential move happening. And also after, since we had, back-to-back news this week, it could consolidate as well. It could consolidate around this area. Typically after Friday news, typically price tends to move slow and starts to consolidate after news. We had back-to-back news this week, so price could now be just, moving slow now, starting to move slow, and it's going to be stagnant in the area here. So we could see just the potential just create consolidation, just stay around this area here. That's very typical, especially on a Friday morning after news. Price typically consolidates. So that could be happening right now. That's why it's indecisive. Where it wants to go, whether to the upside, the downside. So, I'm not gonna take any trades. I took some sells here. I caught a total 100 pips. The downside. Caught the short. $24.65 is where I exit. I caught this sell on the way down. Total of 100 pips. But before that, though, I had to buy right here, guys. I had to buy before news hit. I entered the buy at 24:57, like a couple minutes before news. And I was like, nah, let me cancel it. Let me just wait. Let me wait after news. And then it shot up. And then I was like, dang, okay, let me catch the pullback. Let me catch the sell. And then when I saw these wicks reacting around my 24.75, I was like, okay, this is the time to enter the sell. Caught it down. Caught 100 pips. Rather than nothing. At least I got something out of it. But yeah, no FOMO. But yeah, this is a total of a 250 pip move. 210 plus pips for the buy. But you live and you learn. I'm definitely gonna back test this weekend. Like I'm definitely gonna be so intentional this weekend. I'm gonna back test all the trades I've done throughout the week for the month actually of July. I'm gonna reflect this weekend. I'm gonna definitely reflect. I'm gonna back test. I'm gonna study, and I'm gonna see what areas I could have improved on, what areas I could have done better. There's always room for improvement. Still to this day, guys, almost 4 years in, I'm still back testing. I'm still learning. I'm still journaling. I'm always working on my craft. I'm always becoming better and better, working on my entries, you know, working on my exits. It's an ongoing process, guys. You never stop learning. Can always be better. You think you have it all figured out and you're good enough. No, there's always another level. Like I thought I had it all figured out, but I don't. I'm still figuring it out, to be honest with you guys. I don't have it all figured out. I'm still learning. You always want to remain a student. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna end it here. I'm not gonna be calling out any trades right now. There is right now it's breaking above 24.65, so let's see if it's gonna continue up. but I did drop the idea in the chat for you guys. I could see a potential move to the upside, but I'm not, you know, trade at your own risk. If you guys see an opportunity, take it. But, you know, I'm done trading for the morning. This is just my prediction. What could potentially happen. You guys make money, that's good. Just trade at your own risk. We're about to hit the new hour. Got impulse. Vamos a mirar una compra aquí. Si esto sí era, verde, a los 3 soldados, puedes comprar arriba. We're about to hit the new hour. La nueva hora va a pasar ahorita en 4 minutos. Esto puede comprar arriba. There's the 3 white soldiers. You could potentially continue up. Once the new hour hits, let's see where it goes from there. You guys want to wait for this move? Or you guys want to end it? Let me know in the chat. All right. She goes. Let's wait till it closes bullish. That confirms the buy. Impulse is so clutch, man. Look at that. Broke above, came to retest my micro pivot, now shooting up, reacted right at my micro pivot. You guys learn to use impulse. You guys get that advantage. You guys will get that edge. Impulse is so clutch, man. Look how I respected my micro pivot right there for the buy. It's all buying signs right now. So clutch, man. You guys gotta tap into the Go Live, man, the education. I highly recommend it. It's a must, mandatory. Dr. Josh and Brandon Boyd, they go over impulse. Go, we got the new hour. Finish off bullish. We can see a buy up. C is reacting around 2470. So we could see a came out to 3 white soldiers there. Be a break. She goes. So break above 2470. That confirms the buy. Let me know if you guys got in. Sheesh. There she goes.
Lista.
And she pushes, man. She pushes. I'm writing this up to 2480. But yeah, guys. There she goes. About to hit TP2. 2475. Move your stop loss to break even. Now it's a risk-free trade because we're above 30 pips in profit. It's a risk-free trade now, guys. Move your stop loss to break even. Now it's a risk-free trade. Mueve tu stop loss a entrada para que sea ya una entrada que no hay riesgo. There she goes. Don't be afraid of pullbacks. Pullbacks are normal. But we going up. You guys have a blessed weekend. I'll keep you guys posted in the chat. Now it's a risk-free trade. But I appreciate you guys so much for hopping on. I'll see you guys next week. And as always, study more than you trade. Be patient. Trust the process. Trust the process. All right. Trust your trade. And I'll see you guys next week for another big week. All right. We in profits. Move your stop loss to break even. Risk-free trade. Let's get it. TP2 smack. We going up. Let's get it. I'll keep you guys posted in the chat. Have a blessed weekend, guys. Love y'all. Let's go.